Imagine a company that was once the king of mobile phones, dominating the world with over 40% market share, then completely disappeared from everyone's radar. Now picture this: that same company is back, but not in the way you think. They're not making phones anymore. Instead, they position themselves at the absolute center of the biggest technological revolution of our time: artificial intelligence. And here's the crazy part: one of the most powerful tech companies in the world just invested $1 billion in them at $6 per share. The stock is still trading around that price right now, and Wall Street analysts are predicting it could climb significantly higher in the next 12 months. What's even more interesting is that this isn't some speculative startup. This is a company with decades of engineering excellence, billions in cash on their balance sheet, and they're now partnering with a company that makes the chips powering almost every AI system on the planet. Stay with me, because what I'm about to reveal will completely change how you see this investment opportunity. Let me take you back for a second. This company was a household name. Everyone had their product in their pocket. They were the Nokia of the mobile phone era. Wait, did I just give it away? No, seriously though, they were so dominant that people thought they could never fall. But then smartphones happened, and they missed the wave completely. The stock crashed, the company struggled, and most investors wrote them off forever. Fast forward to today, and something remarkable is happening. While everyone was sleeping on this company, they completely transformed themselves. They're no longer in the consumer business. They've become a pure-play infrastructure company, building the invisible networks that power our digital world. Think about it: every time you stream a video, make a video call, or use any internet service, data travels through networks. And this company builds the hardware and software that makes those networks run. But here's where it gets really exciting. In the third quarter of 2025, this company posted incredible results. Their sales grew by 9% year over year, reaching almost €5 billion in just one quarter. Their optical networks division, which builds the data highways for AI and cloud computing, grew by 19%. Yes, you heard that right, 19% growth in a single quarter, and that growth is being driven almost entirely by AI and cloud customers who need massive data capacity. The company generated over €400 million in free cash flow in that quarter alone, and they're sitting on €3 billion of net cash. That's right, no debt problem here, just pure financial strength. They've also been executing on a massive cost reduction program, having already saved €0.8 billion and targeting €1.2 billion by the end of 2026. This is a company that's not just growing revenue, they're becoming more profitable and efficient at the same time. Now let me reveal the name before you click away searching for it yourself. The company I'm talking about is Nokia, ticker symbol NOK. Yes, that Nokia. But forget everything you think you know about them, because this is a completely different company than the one that made your grandparents' indestructible brick phone. Nokia today is a 5G infrastructure powerhouse, and they just landed the partnership of a lifetime. In late 2025, NVIDIA, the company behind the AI revolution, the company whose chips are in every major AI system from ChatGPT to self-driving cars, invested $1 billion directly into Nokia at $6.01 per share. Think about what that means. NVIDIA doesn't throw around billion-dollar investments casually. They saw something massive in Nokia's future. The partnership isn't just about money, it's about building AI RAN, which stands for AI Radio Access Networks. This is the next generation of wireless infrastructure that will use artificial intelligence to make networks smarter, faster, and more efficient. According to industry estimates, the AI RAN market alone represents a cumulative opportunity of over $200 billion by 2030. And Nokia, partnered with NVIDIA, is positioned to capture a significant chunk of that market. Here's something that'll blow your mind. Almost 50% of ChatGPT's 800 million weekly users access it through mobile devices. That's a staggering amount of AI traffic flowing through wireless networks, and it's only going to grow exponentially. 5G networks were built for speed, but 6G networks, which Nokia is already developing with NVIDIA, will be built for AI from the ground up. Every text you send to ChatGPT, every AI image you generate, every autonomous vehicle communicating with the cloud, all of that requires next-level network infrastructure. Nokia is building that infrastructure right now. T-Mobile US has already committed to testing Nokia and NVIDIA's AI RAN technologies in 2026, which means commercial deployment could be right around the corner. Let's talk about what the smart money is saying. 23 analysts cover Nokia stock, and the consensus rating is a moderate buy. The average 12-month price target is $7.36, with the highest target at $8.50 and upside potential of nearly 12% from current levels. But here's the kicker: those targets are based on Nokia's current business model. If their AI RAN strategy succeeds, and they start capturing even a fraction of that $200 billion market, we could see a complete revaluation of the stock. Some analysts are projecting 25% earnings growth in 2026, and the company's forward price-to-earnings ratio is only around 13. Compare that to other AI networking stocks trading at 30 times forward earnings or more, and you can see the potential here. If Nokia achieves even a modest re-rating to a PE in the mid-20s, the stock could easily climb above $10 per share. Nokia also has a new CEO, Justin Hotard, who joined in 2025 and is laser-focused on the AI opportunity. Under his leadership, the company is streamlining operations, investing heavily in research and development, and building the partnerships needed to win in the AI era. The company isn't just talking about AI, they're executing. Their optical networks are already seeing massive demand from hyperscale cloud providers and AI companies that need to move enormous amounts of data at lightning speed. Their IP networks division is also growing as internet traffic explodes globally. This is a company with multiple growth engines firing simultaneously, strong financial health, visionary leadership, and the backing of NVIDIA. Now, before you rush to make any decisions, I need to be crystal clear about something. This video is purely educational and informational. It is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Investing in stocks carries risk, and you could lose money. What I've shared here is based on publicly available information and analysis. But markets are unpredictable and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. With that said, Nokia represents one of the most fascinating turnaround stories in tech right now. A company that was left for dead has reinvented itself and positioned itself at the intersection of 5G, 6G, and artificial intelligence with the backing of NVIDIA. The fundamentals are improving, the growth is accelerating, and the opportunity ahead is massive. Whether you're a long-term investor looking for exposure to AI infrastructure or someone who appreciates a good comeback story, Nokia is definitely a company worth watching closely in 2026. If this analysis helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into hidden investment opportunities, and drop a comment below telling me what stock you want me to analyze next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.